Hello, dear language learners. My name is Galina, and today I want to talk to you about how to be successful in learning language. My native language is Russian. I'm speaking to you in English, and I'm learning Greek at the moment. And I'm teaching Russian. I love teaching Russian. So, I want to give you 5 tips today how to be successful in learning foreign language. So, where do we start? So, first of all, you need to know what is your goal. You need to know why do you want to learn a language. So let's take Russian. If you want to learn Russian language, ask yourself, what does it do for you? Why do you want to learn a language? Are you going to travel? Are you going to make new friends? Is it connected to your profession? Can you expand your job, something, apply for a new job by using Russian language? Or are you going to communicate to your friends in their language? So all different questions you can ask yourself. So when you set your goal, just be sure how far do you want to go. Just you can decide, oh, I just want to learn a basic, just want to go to travel to the country and just be able to say, introduce yourself, just talk about basic food or drink, or you really set yourself a higher goal to be able to speak grammatically correct language, just to expand your vocabulary and really feel comfortable in speaking with native people. So, when you set the goal, you need a huge desire to do it. So, this desire comes from inside of you, and is supported by all the feelings, all the passion you have towards the foreign language. So, goal and desire. Next one. So you need to have a plan. Do a research. Find out, are there any courses around you? Can you do the course online? So at the moment, all the courses are online. Just have a look what you can use for learning. What kind of aids you can use? Can you use YouTube? Can you use the Quizlet? Can you use any groups that help you to learn language? So you have a plan. So you need to have a plan. And you need to set yourself the time. You need to set yourself, obviously, how much does it cost for you? What time can you put into the lesson? And how long are you going to spend a day? I always suggest to my students, you don't need hours and hours to learn language, but little by little. Maybe you can have a 15 minutes a coffee break. Just go on Duolingo and do some lessons there. Or you do something, maybe you need to do some housework, you do ironing or you do cooking. Just put something on the background that's speaking in a language you learn. And you will see this passive listening really will improve your understanding in the language. So we have the plan. So what next? Very important things is to surround yourself by people who support you in your actions. So if you start to tell people at work or people who don't speak any foreign languages, oh, I'm going to learn Russian, it's very quickly you're going to be discouraged by those people. I remember I had a student who said at work, oh, I'm learning Russian, I'm very excited about it, and people start to say, why? Why do you learn Russian? Why do you need to go to Russia? And it's very discouraging. So he stopped talking to those people about his passion, and he created a group of friends who are interested in foreign language and communicated with them about the language. And it was huge change in the attitude. It really helps us. So surround yourself by people who support you, who understand your desire, who just let you to do what you want to do and support you in it. Okay, so next tip is persistence. You need to develop this fantastic habit. Without persistence, we can't go far. So if you say, okay, I started to learn the language, okay, I can do it maybe twice a week. You can do it twice a week, but you need to make a habit that every day you will look something. You will listen for a bit of, say, Russian radio, Russian TV, or YouTube film or cartoon. So something, maybe you call a friend who speak a quite good, reasonable Russian language, for example. Or maybe you write a piece of work, or maybe you look at homework or use Duolingo. So develop this important habit called persistence. So you need it. It will help you to achieve your big goal, to speak in another language. And we need a positive attitude. Of course, without positive attitude, we won't go far. So when you learn something new, it's, yes, of course you will have some difficulties. Maybe you can't say the words correctly. Maybe you have some trouble with some listening, or you really can't understand the sound. It's okay, it's fine. It's learning process. Takes making some mistakes, learning, just doing things again and again and again till you become perfect. So don't be discouraged by the fact that you can't say words properly, or maybe you can't understand a piece of grammar. It's all right. It will come. Don't worry about it. So you have a goal, you have the group of people who support you, you found the course, you found the teacher, you have persistence, and please, please, please develop the positive attitude that will keep you going in learning. So hope it will help you to learn the language you want. You're very welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn to Love Russia. You're also welcome to my Russian lessons online. Any questions, any support, any help, you're welcome to contact me. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!